Okay, so in this lab here, this is going to be a pretty simple lab for some of you. If you're familiarized with DHCP server through Windows Server, or just a basic LAN network with a simplistic. So there's no domain controller on this, even though this here is a Windows domain controller. So in the password, it is the 1234 and then the shift. And then you'll be able to get into the Windows server. So if you look on the website, it does have the password for this. Like I said, there is no domain controller on the Windows server. And then also what your goal is, so as of right now, if we were to do a IP config release renew, then you can't get to the DHCP server. Right now it's getting a PIPA IP address. So your goal is to be able to restore the DHCP server, and you need to go through pretty much the whole network, make sure everything works as far as start from the client and move your way up, or work from the server and move your way down to the client. And then that way you can trace, when you're actually troubleshooting in a real world situation, you can trace out where exactly things are stopping or what's being stopped based on a simple configuration. So understanding in this lab here, you're gonna have to check pretty much everything that is entailed. Also, be advised that when you do upload this, it may take a little while. Don't worry about this here because it is 10 gigabytes. It may take a little bit for you to be able to get this uploaded into your system, but also make sure if you are running a GNS3 VM that you have enough space to allocate this file, because the labs that we are going to do are going to be massive files, because we are going to host servers and also window clients inside of the project itself. That's going to be included with the project file. So just be aware of that. So we will be posting other restore the service drills right here on our website. And all you have to do is, if you're not familiarized how this works, you can be able to download the lab, which is here. Make sure, like I said, that you have enough space on your GNS3 VM or your local machine to be able to host this. But then also, too, it will give you the scenario, what you're going to be looking for and what you should be familiarized with in order to fix this network.